Hello everyone. I'm Academician Dr. Lilia. Welcome to Science and Me YouTube channel. Today, we're shrinking down to the size of atoms and exploring the fascinating world of nanotechnology. Buckle up, because we're about to unravel the science behind this revolutionary field. What is nanotechnology? Imagine manipulating matter at the scale of individual atoms and molecules. That's the core idea behind nanotechnology. It's all about understanding, creating, and using structures with at least one dimension in the range of 1 to 100 nanometers. For reference, a human hair is roughly 80,000 nanometers wide, so we're talking incredibly small. Imagine manipulating matter atom by atom, building structures and devices so small they're invisible to the naked eye. That's the essence of nanotechnology. It deals with engineering and manipulating matter at the nanoscale, where 1 nanometer is a billionth of a meter. At this scale, things get weird. Materials exhibit unique properties due to quantum mechanics and increased surface area. Why is it special? At the nanoscale, things get weird, in a cool way. Materials exhibit unique properties that differ from their bulk counterparts. They become stronger, lighter, more reactive, and even show unusual optical and electrical characteristics. This opens up a treasure trove of possibilities. Exploring the nanoscale toolbox. So, how do we play with atoms? We have a diverse toolkit: atomic force microscopy, AFM. Imagine a tiny needle feeling the surface of atoms, creating detailed images. Scanning electron microscopy, SEM, like an electron shower revealing the nanoscopic landscape. Molecular self-assembly, nature's trick, guiding molecules to organize themselves into desired structures. Chemical vapor deposition, CVD, building materials layer by layer, atom by atom. Nano revolution. Nanotechnology is rapidly transforming various fields: medicine, targeted drug delivery, bioimaging, and tissue engineering for healing on a cellular level. Imagine targeted drug delivery, artificial tissues, and early disease detection with ultra-sensitive nanosensors. Electronics, smaller, faster transistors for more powerful devices, and even flexible, foldable electronics thanks to nanomaterials. Energy, efficient solar cells, improved batteries, and cleaner hydrogen fuel production. Environment, nanotechnology can help with water purification, pollution remediation, and developing sustainable materials. Challenges and future. As exciting as it is, nanotechnology presents challenges. Potential health and environmental risks of nanoparticles need careful study and regulation. Ethical considerations regarding responsible development and potential misuse. But the future is bright. Continued research and collaboration promise solutions to these challenges, unlocking the full potential of nanotechnology for a better tomorrow. The future of nanotechnology is brimming with possibilities. From self-healing materials to brain-computer interfaces, the potential applications seem endless. However, responsible development and open dialogue are crucial to ensure this technology benefits humanity. So, what are your thoughts on nanotechnology? Are you excited about its potential? Or do you have concerns? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the nano world. I hope you gained a deeper understanding of this fascinating field. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoy content like this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell to stay updated with new videos. Also, if you liked it, be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Looking forward to seeing you again with new videos. I can't wait to bring you more knowledge from the enchanting world of science.